guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carissa. I'm a beauty blogger, but I'm mostly on Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram yet, that'll be linked down below. Make sure to go do that. Today I'm going to be doing something that I've literally been planning on doing for like almost a month now, I think, and I am going to be doing a makeup look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. When I saw this palette coming out, I was like super excited. I ordered it the day it came out. It is just so beautiful. The colors in here are just a lot of cool tones. I like that they put all the shimmers on the top and then all the mattes on the bottom. And I'm really excited to do a look for you guys with this palette. As you can see, I've already done my face makeup. I've done my face makeup on here so many times that I just thought I would skip that step altogether and jump right into the palette. So I'm not gonna go into too much of an intro, but let's do it. Alright, so I just zoomed you guys in a little bit so you can see what's going on here. I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do today. I really would love to use this blue color. It's like a periwinkle color. It's called Soul. It is so beautiful, but I don't think I'm gonna use it today just because I have to work today, but I definitely today want to use this color Celestial, which is like a purple shimmer color. As you can see, I've already used the rose gold color. I've been using this color right here. Dreamer is amazing for a highlight color, like literally amazing. But we're definitely gonna want to start with a transition color. So for the transition color, I'm gonna be taking this color right here. It's just like a really light taupe brown color and it's called Incense. On a ABH Cosmetics brush, and this is brush number 5, it's just a fluffy brush. And I am going to work this into the crease. As always with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, there is quite a bit of fallout. I don't know if you can see that, probably not, but there is a decent amount of fallout, but the colors are still super pigmented and beautiful, so it's not a huge deal. I think I actually am going to take this shade Soul. I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to give it a shot. Okay, I'm going to take the shade Soul and I'm going to kind of work that into the crease too, just a little bit, not anything crazy, but I think I am going to do it. And I'm going to use this ABH Cosmetics brush. It's brush number 7. It's just like a little tapered fluffy brush, and because I just really want to use this color. It's just so pretty. It's like a really nice, it's like the color of the actual palette, like the outside of the palette, so it's really nice. And I'm just gonna then I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. This is the BoxyCharm SL Miss Glam Blend Beauty L34 brush. So I'm just going to use this to blend everything together. Next, I'm going to take this color over here, which is, I think, perfectly called Drama. So pretty. It's like a really deep plum purple color. And I'm going to actually take that same brush. I just took the blue color, the color Soul. And I am just going to pop this right on the outer corner of my eye. Next color we're going to do is Celestial, which is this beautiful shimmery purple color, and I'm going to be taking the SL Miss Glam BoxyCharm eyeshadow brush P15. I'm going to be just popping that all over the lid. ABH Cosmetics brush number 8. I'm going to take the color Dreamer, that highlight color I talked about. I'm going to pop that on my inner corner. I'm going to go do my mascara and then I will be right back. So here is the finished look that I created with the Norvina palette. I love purple looks because purple looks I feel like look the best on brown eyes, which is what I have. So I love that this palette was very heavily like purple themed. I feel like people look immediately at like these 3 colors and they're like holy shit, or like this color, but you really can like make some more like neutral looks, which I've actually done neutral looks with this palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video featuring the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really love this look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. That'll be linked down below. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!